Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 for visible by Verizon. So as of this video recording, the iPhone 14 is off for pre-order right now at Visible. The iPhone 14 will be out September 16th, so stay tuned for that. So the iPhone 14 is now here. It's available in 5 colors. Excuse me. You guys will have 3 storage options, and yeah. So the iPhone 14 looks a lot like the iPhone 13 from last year, except for this has newer hardware and stuff like that. So on the front of the iPhone 14, you guys have your notch for your front-facing camera and stuff like that. Back of the phone, dual cameras, camera flash, Apple logo and whatnot. There's a close-up to the cameras on the back, dual cameras. There it is in the color options. Like I said, you do get 5 color options here, and yeah. And there is the contents that comes in the box. Is your iPhone 14 and your charging cable, and you get documentation as well. And that's pretty much it for the box there. So like I said, the iPhone 14 available in 5 colors: blue, product red, purple, starlight, and moonlight color options. You do get 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 829, 256 gigs, 929, 512 gigs, 1129 there. So the iPhone 14 is the cheapest iPhone this year, so pretty interesting there. So it says here the features. It says iPhone 14 full of fantastic features. iPhone 14 with the most impressive dual camera system on iPhone. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. This is a 5G compatible device. Click here to learn more about Visible's plans for 5G. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. And it says right here, iPhone 14 Plus available in October. iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max are subject to blah blah blah. It's just some extra bull crap. Specs on the iPhone 14. The iPhone 14 weighs 6.7 ounces. Dimensions 2.82 inches width, 5.78 inches height, 30.31 inches depth, iOS 16, 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.4 aperture and 120 degrees field of view, 5 element lenses, night mode, panorama up to 63 megapixels, photographic styles, wide color capture for photos and live photos, 12 megapixel front facing camera, 4K video recording at 24, 25, 30, and 60 frames. 1080p video recording at 25, 30, and 60 frames. 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes for your storage options. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, charging via USB to computer system or power adapter. If you guys want to learn more about the iPhone 14, y'all guys can click the second link below. Alright, so yeah, so there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 is now here at Visible by Verizon. It'll be out September 16th. So this is the cheapest iPhone this year in terms of like flagship iPhone and stuff. So this is the cheapest one. There is no iPhone 14 mini this year. There's none of that this year. The mini moniker is assumingly gone, so pretty interesting. So if you guys are looking to to get like a cheaper iPhone and stuff. The iPhone 14 is the phone for you guys to check out. Very nice looking phone. It looks like the iPhone 13 from last year. The difference in terms of like design and stuff like that, except for newer hardware and stuff. And it's available in 5 colors, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.